Welcome to this detailed review of Zippyshare, a well-known cloud storage platform that offers a unique file sharing experience. Zippyshare is user-friendly and allows for quick uploads without the need for an account. The interface is straightforward, which makes it accessible even for beginners. However, one of the key advantages is its free service. You could upload files up to 500 megabytes without signing up. On the downside, it has limitations, such as no direct folder management and a lack of file encryption for privacy. Additionally, files are deleted after 30 days of inactivity, which can be a concern for long-term storage needs. The site is ideal for quick sharing, but might not suit everyone's storage requirements. To help you understand better, I'll be discussing its features in detail, including the upload process, file management, and sharing capabilities. And while we're at it, if you're looking for a more permanent solution, you can buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever. No annual subscription at the link in the description of the video. As we explore, consider the pros and cons that may influence your choice. The pricing structure of Zippyshare is another important factor. It is completely free, but remember the limitations. This is particularly useful for casual users who don't need extensive features. Make sure to stick around to get a full grasp of whether Zippyshare fits your storage needs. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more insights.